Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Jaguar I Pace. Any screen, you'll see there the arrow, click on the arrow, and that's bringing up, it's in somebody else's profile at the moment, so it's calling me Warwick, who was the previous owner of this vehicle. Now here you've got charging stations nearby. Now that's, I'll just actually click that. So that's changing. So that's showing me where a charging station is. But I want to set the navigation. Click on that. We'll click on it again. And then you've got search places, destination. Click search. Search for address, place or keyword. Now I'm going to try putting the postcode in. PR54EA. That's us, Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston. PR54EA. So I've put that in, and now I have to enter. Searching offline. Were you looking for this? PR54EA. Well, yes, I've just taken the trouble to type it in, so of course I was. And now it's come up start. We'll click start.
After 250 yards, turn left and then make a U-turn.
We're on the forecourt, so it's I've confused it a little bit. But now then, if I just go back to menu, so we go to the home screen. I want to stop that navigation. I'm getting near to home. It's telling me, and I already know where I'm going. So all I do, go back to home. You'll see there the red flag, the checkered flag with the red line through it. Click. Navigation ended.